Here are 20 quotes from Paul-Adrien Maurice Dirac, the renowned physicist and mathematician. 1. The aim of science is to make difficult things understandable in a simpler way. 2. God used beautiful mathematics in creating the world. 3. If we are honest and scientists have to be, we must admit that religion is a jumble of false assertions, with no basis in reality. 4. In science, one tries to tell people, in such a way as to be understood by everyone, something that no one ever knew before. 5. A theory with mathematical beauty is more likely to be correct than an ugly one that fits some experimental data. 6. The laws of nature are constructed in such a way as to make the universe as interesting as possible. 7. The measure of greatness in a scientific idea is the extent to which it stimulates thought and opens up new avenues of research. 8. The most fundamental results are not always obtained by seeking them directly but by following lines of thought that lead one into unexpected territory. 9. A physical law must possess mathematical beauty. 10. Mathematics is the tool specially suited for dealing with abstract concepts of any kind. 11. The best measure of a scientific theory's validity is its simplicity and elegance. 12. The evolution of the universe is governed by principles of maximum simplicity. 13. I consider that I understand an equation when I can predict the properties of its solutions, without solving it. 14. If there is any religion that could correspond to the scientific spirit, it is Buddhism. 15. The progress of physics is a continuous process of replacing old laws with new and more precise ones. 16. Science is concerned with truth, not appearances. 17. The goal of theoretical physics is to discover the laws of nature that are independent of human experience. 18. In quantum mechanics, we deal with probabilities, not certainties. 19. Physical laws should have mathematical beauty. 20. The entire universe can be explained by a single, elegant equation. These quotes reflect Dirac's deep appreciation for the interplay between mathematics, physics, and the pursuit of universal truths.